Welcome back, guys, to another video of Forex Beginner's Guide. This is video 113, and this is about what is TradingView. Now, in today's topic, I am going to be sharing what is TradingView and how it works and why is it so important. So I'm going to take you to my screen, which is right here. This is how TradingView looks. You can search it on Google if you just go to Safari or Google or whatever you use as your search engine. You just go and search for tradingview.com. And once you've searched that, you will see this screen appear on your device. Now, once you're on this website, you can simply search for whatever pair you want to trade in. I am a gold trader, which is also known as XAU USD. So you can simply type XAU USD and it will appear here. Then you can just click on this and it will show you the charts of that pair. Now, when you want to trade, you want to have an understanding of how the markets have been performing. I have made many videos explaining many of my community members, many of my students, associates, explaining them that it's very important before you do anything is to understand the trend. Trading view is the chart and it's in a wider frame which allows you to see what direction is the market heading in. Not only that, you can use many things on trading view which can allow you and help you on your trading journey, such as you can change the candle patterns. You can have a look at line view. You can have any other view. You can just have a look at candles. You can add indicators. And at the same time, trading view allows you to see how the currency pair or the commodity or whatever you're trading has been performing from anywhere from 12 months to 1 second. So if you click on 12 months, it will give you the chart and the performance of how the specific pair that you're willing to trade or you are trading has been in the past. Afterwards, you can either go to a day, which allows you to understand how has it been performing on a daily basis. You can go on to 1 hour, have a look how has it been performing in every single hour. And this is when in my course where I'm explaining everything about trading view and the hacks about trading view. I've explained from what station do you need to go to which frame and then to understand and what frame to trade on. That is very important. Trading view allows you to see all of that, and then using that you can use all these services. This section here allows you to draw a trend line. Trend line is something like this, which you can draw yourself to figure out if it's in an uptrend, or you can just change it, let's say from here to here. This is a trend line explaining that the market is in a downtrend. This is what trend line stands for. Just like trend line, there's many other services which are provided now in the paid course. This is all explained in detail how and where can you use each one of them. This pair here allows you to see Fibonacci, trend-based Fib extensions, Fib channels, and all the other ones. You can always create an account on TradingView, and then after you've done that, you can identify what strategy and what is working for yourself. Now, if you want to know my strategy, you can get the course that I provide to all my students and my associates, learning and explaining how to mark the charts, how you can save your settings. And once you've marked your charts, you can then, let me move this video from here, save them. And once you've saved them, it then allows you to just go back to the chart and just go on to the settings that you've already set, which can be provided in the course, or which is provided in the course, which can help you on your trading journey. Then another thing is the patterns. In the market, there's many patterns which are created, XABCD pattern, head and shoulders, triangle, division, Elliott waves, many things. All these things are what are explained in the paid version where you can get it for yourself and learn in detail. Then there's this version here, which allows you to draw, like, let's say, rectangles or all the other facilities that you want. You can have a path. When you're trading, path allows you to basically set yourself that I'm planning to think that the market's going to retest this zone, that zone, and then retest from there or reject from there, and then it's going to go in a certain direction. This is a tool which I use a lot to just mark up, which you can utilize for yourself as well. But as mentioned on the paid course, you get to learn all this in detail. In order to create an account, you can simply just click on join now or sign in, and it allows you to just create yourself an account. And you can search any other currency pair as well. Let's say you want to search for GBP USD, you just type that in, you click on that, and TradingView allows you to see how has that particular pair performing in the past few months, hours, days, weeks, minutes, whatever. So this was all about TradingView, guys. When you have the paid version, you can also do a replay. I have my paid version, but I'm not logged in here. Um, but when you're into your paid version, you can simply click on replay and then select, let's say from here. Let's see if it allows us. No, it doesn't. So you can literally click on here and then the market will go back and then you can back test. This replay section allows you to back test. Alerts is one of the most important things that you can use while you are trading. Alerts allows you to just put alerts in the market. So when the market reaches a significant position, you can then simply just get notified from TradingView that the price is at the position that you're looking for. Then from there, you can start looking for your move. This also comes at a paid or a signed up version. So that was all about TradingView, guys. I hope this video was informative. To know a lot more about trading, and if you're seriously interested to become a trader, I would definitely say get the paid version of the course where I have broken down TradingView to the T and explained every single thing which is going to help you on your journey for trading. So on that note, guys, I hope this all made sense. Make sure that you watch all the other videos which I've made for all of you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.